How's it going, everybody? Mike here with June 14th sales update. What a day. I just have to jump in and basically say what a difference between the last couple of days and the updates that I've been doing. Basically, if you see the title of my last video, it was something like slow and steady, because it has been super slow. And then yesterday we get an explosion. But what's interesting, actually, let's look at the numbers first. 16 sales in the US and one in the UK for the total of 17. So this is like a perfect day. But what is interesting is that we don't see a long list of products that we're selling. We see the top sellers, and these are my top 3 sellers. They usually sell 1 or 2 a day. Now have actually gone out of that zone, and basically, as you can see here, we have 2 5s and a 4, and then a few random one-offs. Now, I was looking to see if the tags changed, because one of these t-shirts has an Amazon's Choice tag, and has been for a while. That's probably what's generating 1 or 2 sales a day. The other one does not, but I have, so this one here is the one that I'm spending $2 on ads. So it is averaging 1 a day with those ads. But again, I've never had 5. And then the one that's 4 is actually another one of the best sellers, but it has no tags. And I actually was curious to see if it did receive a tag in order for those spikes to happen, but it did not. So again, these were all minus this one, organic sales, and it was just a much better than usual day. $300 in sales in total in the US for the 6650 of royalties, which is again nice. I keep saying, doesn't matter what tier you're in, if somebody's putting 20, 30, 50, 60, $70 in your hands every single day, that's not so bad, right? We can't complain about that. So things like this really stand out and make me feel good. There's another sale, so that's good. I have 2 for the day so far, and I'm recording this on the 15th, first thing in the morning. So let's look at some of the averages, and then I'll wrap this up. I'll leave this a short video. So 7-day average in the last month has actually gone from about 45, 50 to now we're hovering around 70. Like 61 is taking this into consideration, so that if there are any other sales today, it's going to go towards this average, which means that we're pushing 70. This month so far, again, we're, today would be, the end of today would mark the halfway through the month, and we're looking at least, let's say, 120 sales in the US for the total amount of royalties of, let's say, 450. So that's, if you've seen any of the other videos, I was saying, what my expectation is that we're going to crack 200. It's probably going to beat some of these lower months, and that's actually really, really good. Let's see where we are across all the marketplaces. So again, 17, and let's look at this month. So 138 is the total. The other marketplaces have not been, going nuts, but again, we are getting sales, which is, again, it's always good because things are adding up. And the last thing I just want to see, so today, let's say we're looking at the 14th, I just want to compare it quickly to last month. First 14 days, we had 138 and 105, so we're about 33 sales ahead of last month in the same time period. So even within the first couple of days of this month, I did say in one of the videos, this month is starting to feel different. When you can just kind of sense when you see that certain activities, certain things are happening. The time of sales too, for example, they're starting at 6 in the morning instead of like 3 in the afternoon. So that kind of gives you a different feel. Anyways, huge change from the last couple of days, as you can see here. Let's hope it continues. And that's it. I'll see you guys soon.